Hey travelers, we all know that packing can be one of the most stressful parts of any trip. But don't worry, today, I'm sharing 5 essential packing tips that will make your next adventure a breeze. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these tricks will help you pack smarter and travel lighter. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Always make a packing list. This simple step ensures you don't forget anything important. Start your list a few days before you pack so you can add items as you think of them. Tip 2. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. You'll be surprised at how much more you can fit in your suitcase. Tip 3. Invest in packing cubes. These handy organizers keep your suitcase tidy and make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through everything. Tip 4. Pack versatile clothing. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way, you can pack lighter while still having plenty of options. And finally, tip 5. Double-check your airline's weight restrictions. Overweight luggage fees can be pricey, so weigh your bags before you leave to avoid any surprises at the airport. There you have it, 5 essential travel packing tips for a stress-free trip. With these tricks, you'll be ready to hit the road without any last-minute panic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.